This channel is rated R for prolific and profuse profanity. If you have virgin ears, this channel is not for you, bitch. Let's fucking go!
Oh, fuck yeah. Welcome to another episode of Average Dude Riding Hard Trail. Today, we are at the Whistler Bike Park. And if you're here to see hot dudes riding fast, you are in the wrong fucking place. Today, we are on a special double black trail called Misfire. I've never rode it, but I hear she's a real disgusting whore, just like your mom. And if you're wondering if I'm gonna be making your mom jokes all the way down, I'm gonna fucking try. Oh, she's a dirty bitch, and everybody knows it. Okay, is this open? Fucking better be open. I just told everybody I'm gonna ride it. So now we're gonna ride it. Oh, there's trail builders here. They're gonna be pissed. All right, tree roots. Oh, there's a trail builder bucket. That's not a good sign. Ooh. Oh, she's slippery. She's a little wet, just like your mom when I come over. Ugh. Fucking Jesus, these are thick tree roots. Super thick. Just like your mom again. Oh. But the darkest corners of hell are for sure filled with thick, disgusting tree roots. So far, Misfire is not too bad. Thought it was gonna be way worse than this. We'll see. Oh, fuck me. Ooh, thank God for suspension, because I'm putting that shit to work today. I rode the bike park all day yesterday. Fucking all day. From open to closed. Ugh. Jesus Christ. Oh, super technical. Oh, this part's a little off camber. I don't know what off camber means, but I think that was it. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna take a break for the hands. Make sure nobody's behind me. Pros hate riding behind average dudes. We're gonna take it easy on this part. Last thing I want to do is slip and go down the fucking hill. That side of the hill over there to the right. Probably don't want to ride down there. It's best to play it safe and not go to the hospital. I just rode up the chairlift with some Australian cunts, and they were telling me that their buddy sent it too deep on a fucking jump, landed flat, and guess what he landed flat on? His dick. He landed dick first on his bike seat and broke his goddamn pelvis. What a fucking legend. And now he'll need to install pronouns in his email address because he transitioned to another gender. I guess he identifies as a she-man. A shman. Fucking, oh goddamn. Can you imagine squashing your balls on a bike seat hard enough to break your goddamn pelvis? Ooh. You know, I think they should install a few hospitals directly on the hill for efficiency reasons. Ugh, fuck me. Oh, we're doing good. We're doing good. Ooh. It's tough to keep up the good banter with this fucking technical bullshit. So far, I don't see why this is a double black. At best, It's a really hard single black. Ooh, that was wet. Maybe it's double black because of that particular wet spot. Like your mom's panties. Ugh. Fucking squeeze those brakes like you squeeze your butt cheeks in a prison locker room. Ooh, yes. Oh, squeezing brakes. Oh, squeeze those brakes like you're driving home and you gotta take a hot number 2. But you don't want any of that in your car, so you gotta get home. Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, ooh. Fucking hell. Oh, fucking pond. Stream. Sorry, I don't want anybody feeling like that wasn't a pond, that was a fucking stream in the comments. Eat a dick. Oh, god damn. I just want this to be over. Oh, I just want somebody to hold me. Oh, fuck. Alright, breathe, relax. Down the hill. Down the fucking hill. Ooh. I'm going down on this hill. I'm gonna go down on your mother. Oh, fuck me. That was almost an OTB incident right there. Put a like in the fucking whatever the fuck for me saving that one. So far, Whistler has been wipeout free, and I'm really hoping to keep it that way. Especially, I don't want to smash my dick like that other fucking loser. You know, if you're an average dude, ride like an average dude. Oh, fuck me. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry about the brakes. I take lots of them, especially when I'm banging your mom, because she's so fucking heavy, you know? I don't know how these your mom jokes are gonna translate on YouTube. I hope they're funny. Some people be like, oh, better not be talking about my mother. Oh god. This part, alright, she's steep. She's difficult. She's ugly to look at. All things that we could say about your mother. Oh, fuck yeah. Squeezing these brakes like you're walking through a pride parade. Sorry, squeezing these brakes like you're squeezing your butt cheeks walking through a pride parade. Oh, I'm just passing through, boys. Oh, not here to party. Alright, this part oh, particularly gross. Oh, fucking fuck. Oh boy, that step looks like she could be a bit bigger than you want. Just chill. Brakes or no brakes? Probably no brakes. We're riding! Oh, fucking hell! Oh, thank God I'm not on a 29er, because that would make things too spicy. My ass would be on the back tire. Oh, another break for the hands. Again, I apologize. You know, if you're here to see hot dudes riding fast, you know, you better go to another YouTube channel, because this is average dude. Average dude tries to stay alive while riding this disgusting double black. Oh fuck. I thought this was not that hard further up the hill, but she's turning into an ugly bitch. She's an ugly fucking bitch. Oh yes. Oh fuck me. Fuck me. Oh god damn. Oh. Guys, I'm fucking tired as piss. Wish I wasn't filming so I could just set up camp here and cry. But I have thousands of people watching. Woo!
Suck my titties!